8 months back, I met a girl on my YouTube channel. Her name is Sunita. She belongs to a small village in Rajasthan. She has been practicing her English alone for entire 1 year now. So I shot one video with her 8 months back, and now when I talk to her, oh my god, she has got tremendous improvement. So watch this video guys, and let me tell you, if you have willpower, no one can stop you. Happy learning. Hi Sunita, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you so much for asking, and thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks to you also.
How's life like? What are you up to these days?
Actually, life is good. Everything is going well. And recently, I have completed my 12th class and I got 98% with bio stream. And with the 12th class, actually, I have applied for an exam of BSTC. And in that exam, also, I got selected. And apart from it, very soon, I'm going my hostel for my higher education.
Wow,
So,
that's really wonderful. Many congratulations to you, Sunita.
thank you.
And you are very hardworking. I know you can achieve anything in your life.
Thank you so much for your good wishes.
I noticed that you have improved a lot ever since like we last talked. Since we last talked, you have improved so much.
So the thing is, I believe that the key to learn English and to success is to stay consistent. So I stay consistent. Like it doesn't matter if I'm busy, how busy I am. It doesn't matter. But the thing is, I every day I take out 30 to 40 minutes to practice my English, and I practice every day. So that's what I believe, that the more you practice, the more you get better.
It
So
means like you have been practicing for entire 2 to 3 months, right?
yes, I have been practicing.
That's really nice, and I can see like tremendous change and improvement in you. That's really nice, Sunita.
Thank you.
Okay, Sunita. So, do you remember we shot that video?
Yes,
We shot one video. Yes, and it went really well. People liked it so much.
yes, actually, I keep reading all the comments of people, and even when I read those comments, I felt so happy. And there are a lot of people who inspire me, and even they also got inspiration from me. So even they support me in the comment section. And when I read those comments, I felt so happy that there are a lot of people who are getting benefit from that video. So let me tell you also that do you remember, actually, for the first time, when I think that video is about three secrets of learning English or something like that. That was my first video. That was your first video. You shot that video, and I watched that video, and I found that video really fascinating. And then I watched that video, and then I went to the channel, and started watching all the videos one by one, and I really found those videos interesting. Then after some time, you started December English Challenge. So that was also good for me. By that challenge, I worked on my fluency and speaking parts. So that was really good. And thank you so much for that also. And then after December English Challenge, I still remember when you told me for the first time that Sunita, let's make a video together. So that time there is a kind of turning point for my life. There is a like changing moments for my life. So when we shot that video, I felt so happy, and there are so many things I got to learn that video. After shooting that video, I felt so happy, and there are so many things I have learned from that video. And even from that video, there are so many mistakes I have improved. And I I have worked on my speaking parts. I have worked on my speaking skills. So even that was my first time when I was speaking with someone in English, because before that I haven't speak with anyone. So that was my first time when I was speaking with you. And even you know that in my village there is no one with whom I can practice my English. So even I was the first girl who started learning English in my village. So I got to learn so many things from that video, and people also got to learn so many things from that video. So
Wow. First of all, I really appreciate your fluency and all your efforts that you have been putting for last so many months, right?
So you have been very fluent right now. I really appreciate this thing, whatever the efforts you have put. And yes, and this video is all about, like, I just want to know about your experience. As you mentioned that people get to learn a lot from you from that particular video. So could you please tell me, do you also notice any positive change in yourself after shooting that video?
Yeah, I have noticed several positive changes in myself. Like, first thing that after shooting that video, I have built confidence in myself. That now, from now onwards, I can speak with anyone, and there is no kind of hesitation or nervousness in myself. And now I can speak with full of confidence, and I don't have any like I don't afraid of making mistakes because I know if I'll make mistake, you would correct me, and even I will learn from my mistakes. So this is the biggest thing. And even after shooting that video, my perspective also changed regarding people. Like I thought that people can achieve anything in their life if they
Mm-hmm.
are really willing to achieve thing, if they are really keen to achieve that thing, so they can achieve anything in their life. And after shooting that after shooting that video, there are a lot of people in my village and who support me, who inspired me to work more and more in this direction, that they keep supporting me after shooting that video. So there are so many things have changed after shooting that video. And now I think that I can practice my English without any tutor or without any speaking partner, because still I'm practicing my English alone. There is no one with me with whom I
Like,
can practice my.
no one can say that you do not have any speaking partner, because you have like become very fluent while speaking in English. I'm just listening to you, like what Sunita is saying, and you are just being so fluent. Like, I really appreciate this thing, Sunita.
Thank you so much, and it's all because of you, because of your support, because you supported me a lot, and your videos are really really good. Like I get benefit from your videos. So the videos
Thanks.
are so useful for me.
Yes. So, Sunita, I would like to ask you one more question, that now you have become very fluent and very confident. So, I just want to ask you, like, what is the secret of your confidence level? Earlier, when we shot that video, you were hesitating, you were getting nervous, but look at yourself right now. You are very fluent, very confident. What is the secret of this confidence?
So there is no particular secret, but the thing is like we have to practice. If we really wanna like become fluent, and if we really wanna speak nicely, and we wanna communicate with anyone very nicely, then what we need to do is just practice. I believe that practice makes a man perfect, and I think this is the line you have also heard. So I
Yes.
believe in that line, that this line has so many positivity and so many energy, so much energy, that people, if people wanna achieve anything in their life, they can achieve everything if they are practicing regularly. So consistency matters a lot. So we have to consistent. And even I also consistent about my English. Like if I don't get time, then also I take out time to practice my English. So if anybody learn English, so you know someone have to like give efforts to learn
Hmm.
English.
Hmm.
So I think we should like take efforts to learn English.
That's really a wonderful tip, Sunita, that you have shared, that in order to be fluent and confident in English, we need to be consistent, right?
Yes.
That's really wonderful, Sunita. And Sunita, as you were telling me that a lot of people started supporting you after watching that video, could you just let me know, like, what was the reaction of your family members and relatives when they saw your video for the first time?
Yeah, when I told them and when I showed them the video for the first time, they were so surprised. Like they told me that Sunita, are you in this video? And I said yes. They felt so glad, and they all were proud of me. Like they started supporting me. Like before that, they used to believe in me, but they didn't support me so much. But
Hmm.
after shooting that video, they started supporting me and they started believing me. Like they told me that Sunita, continue in your way and you will automatically get success. So they supported me a lot, and even my family members perspective also changed towards me. Like they also started thinking that she can achieve anything, she can achieve something in her life if she really want to achieve that thing. So yeah, and my family members supported me a lot, and even after watching that video, my brother and my cousin also started learning English, so they also have taken this initiative. So yeah, so even my family and even my relatives also like told me that Sunita, you have done great thing and we really appreciate you. They praised me a lot. So I felt so happy after showing that video to my family, and they supported me a lot. And like they told me that Sunita, you should practice, and if you will consistent, then you can achieve something in your life really big.
That's really nice, Sunita. I'm really glad to know that you are bringing positive changes in your village, sorry. And even like
Yes.
I so good when you told me that your brother and your sister, they also started learning English just by seeing you. That's really a good thing.
Yes.
That's really nice. And how was the reaction of your friend in your school? Like, did you tell anyone in your school?
Yes, when for the first time, like after shooting that video for the first time, I went to the school and I told everybody that I have made a video, and so you also should watch that video. When they watched that video, they told me that Sunita, you have spoke so nicely, and they inspired me because before that, whenever I try to speak English in my school, they used
Hmm?
to make fun of me. They used to make fun of me that you cannot be fluent. And when they watched that video, they started believing in me, and even some of my friends have taken this initiative that they also want to learn English. So now I can get a little bit of involvement, and I can practice. But yeah, but still I practice my English alone. I don't get that much better environmental. So yeah, and even my friends also started learning English, and even I support them also to learn English. And if you, so even the people, I want to give the message that if you also you also want to achieve something in your life, so you have to take the initiative. First you have to take the initiative, then and show your passion to everybody that you can achieve anything in your life. You can achieve something really nice in your life. So show them your passion and show them your talent, so that people can people can affect, people can attract, like they also inspire to
That's
achieve.
even I got motivated while listening to you. You are just 16 years old. I do not remember when I was 16, I could like even think these things. So this is really a very wonderful change that you have brought in yourself, Sunita. It's really nice. And I'm really glad to know that right now you have got little bit of environment while speaking in English because your friends also started.
Yeah.
That's really nice. And Sunita, do you know, like, I really get motivated while listening to you. You are so full of positive energy. So I would like to ask you, a lot of people are there, they say that we do not have any environment where we can speak in English. We do not have any partner with whom we can speak in English. So you have been practicing English alone for quite a long time now, right? So, what tips would you like to give them? Like how they can create that environment where they can practice their English?
So if the people are saying that we don't get environmental, so you can take the example of my
Hmm.
that I also don't have environment. I also don't have environment, but the thing is we have to create the environment. We have to create that because there is no other option. If you really wanna learn English, so we have to create the environment. And the tips, actually, I have given you some tips in the previous one, but there are so many tips I can give you in this video. But
Hmm.
the major tips which I followed to practice my English, by following that tips, I have improved my English. So the first tip is what you need to do is just learn five vocabulary word every day. It's only
Hmm.
five. And
Hmm.
with the meaning, what you need to do is just need to learn the pronunciation and synonyms and antonyms of the word. If you do this, then your vocabulary collection will increase. And if you have done with your 5 words, then what you need to do is just make a random story by using those words.
Okay.
Okay. And after making the story, what you need to do is just turn on the camera of your phone and speak the story in front of the camera. If you will do this, then yes, if you will do this, then your speaking skills will improve and you will feel confident while speaking in front of anyone. So this is the first thing that I also do till now, and I have seen a lot of improvement in myself that I can speak with anyone. So this is the first, and the next one is try to learn and try to learn more and more phrases, phrasal verbs. Like there are so many
Wow.
phrases. If you if I give the example, then beat around the bush, break a leg, cost an arm and a leg, and once in a blue moon, under the weather. There are so many phrases we can learn.
Where did you learn all these phrases from? From your textbooks or like from YouTube or somewhere else?
So you can learn the phrases from anywhere. Like on the YouTube, there are so many phrases, and you can search on Google, and you can read some books.
Hmm.
So and like if you will use the phrases, then your English looks to be up to the level. And next thing is next thing is listening more and more, listen more and more, because listening the conversation in English is one of the most effective way to learn English. And even I also used to listen a lot of English shows, English movies, and like your videos. I all to be honestly, in a day, like I was around 4 to 5 videos every day. I watch 4 to 5 videos of yours, and I really get benefit from those videos. And the next thing is read some books, and there are so many story books, comic books. You can read those also to improve your pronunciation, improve your fluency.
That's
So
really nice.
these are
So, sorry
so
to interrupt you, Sunita. I would
yeah.
like to ask, as you were talking about that you watch TV series, so what kind of TV series would you like to suggest people? Like, what is that series that you have recently watched?
Actually, there is a actually the serial is actually the series is in Hindi, but in the we can what to say.
Subtitles. Yeah, subtitles.
Yeah, you can watch the subtitle. Like the serial is in Hindi, which I'm watching right now. The name of the serial is Kasauti Zindagi Ki. I think you
Okay.
have heard this.
Yes, I have
And
heard about it. Hmm.
actually I have downloaded the Hotstar app, and in that app the people speak in Hindi, but the subtitle is in English.
Okay, subtitles are in English.
Yeah,
Okay,
subtitles.
pretty nice.
So
Hmm.
yeah, so you can there are so many English series, but we don't understand properly. But if we listen them in Hindi, and we can also read those subtitles in English. So if we do this, then we will understand properly.
That's really a wonderful tip. Okay, Sunita, thank you so much for sharing all these tips with us. Do you have any message that you would like to give to the people who live in village? They do not have any environment. They do not have anyone to practice with. They are afraid of making mistakes. So, what would you like to? Any message you would like to give them?
So the message which I wanna give you, the people who are learning English, who are trying to learn English, so never ever hesitate of making mistake. Never ever get afraid of making mistake, because making mistake is not an option. Like you should not an option like, if I'll make mistake, then people will think about me, and these kind of thinking in our mind. So you should stop thinking like this and continue your practice. Stay tuned, and whatever video you are watching, watch that video completely, watch that video till the end. Some people watch the video like half, and then they run away from there. So
Mm-hmm.
you don't just watch that video completely. And there are so many people who have this mindset that they want to give up very soon. So never give up, because giving up is not an option. I have told this line in my previous video also, giving up should not be an option, and continue your practice. And if you really wanna learn English, then you have to practice your English. So if you talk about the environment, so I don't have even also good environment, but still
Mhm.
I'm practicing English. So if if you if the people who wanna learn English, so they have to practice their English properly. And there is a word giving up. Actually, I don't like this word giving up. This is
Mhm.
like this word upset me a lot. And so and this word is not in my dictionary. So all the people should vanish this word from their dictionary.
That's really a wonderful idea. I will also banish this word give up from my dictionary.
Yeah.
That's really wonderful, Sunita. Thank you so much for being there in this video and sharing the tips that you follow to improve your English.
So
Okay,
yeah. Thank you
Sunita,
so much.
we'll see you
Thank you
soon.
so
I wish you
much.
all the best for your future endeavors. Hmm?
One thing I want to say to you that thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Actually, it's an honor and a pleasure for me to be here. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And now I can speak with you also. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being the part of this video. We are lucky to have a student like you.
Me too.
Okay, Sunita, bye bye. Take care.
Bye.